A very warm welcome to this episode of News Audit with me, Anubhuti Kaur, on Oneindia English. As we know, today is a very important day for the country as the second phase of the Covid-19 vaccination drive has begun across the country and has been expanded to those above the age of 60 years and those above 45 with comorbidities. Now, people can go and register anywhere, anytime through the CoWIN Portal 2.0 or through the application Arogya Setu. It is very convenient, very easy for people to just register, and today was a big day because we saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi was among the first one, the biggest political leader of the country, to take the vaccination today, and he encouraged all the people across the country who are eligible to come out and take the vaccination. As we know that this is a very important juncture for India, as again we are witnessing a spike in the coronavirus cases. In the last 24 hours, more than 15,500 cases were registered, and India's overall tally has crossed the 1.11 crore mark. In the second phase, we saw that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was the first one to take the vaccination. Now, till now, questions had been raised that why has the Prime Minister not taken the vaccine? Not just that, he even opted for the Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. That led to a barrage of criticism from the opposition for the trials for the vaccine had still not completed, but the vaccine was being used. Ever since the vaccination drive began in the country, the vaccination politics has been raging. A lot of questions have been raised by the opposition leaders. Even today, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi took the vaccine, he encouraged everyone to take the vaccination, but the opposition has not spared him even this time. Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury drew a link to Assam, Kerala and Puducherry elections to the PM's gesture. Chowdhury said that PM Modi carried the Rishi Aurobindo's photo and Geetanjali with him, all 5 poll-bound states would have been covered. Well, after the Prime Minister wore a gamosa from Assam, and while the nurses from Kerala and Puducherry administered the Covaxin shot, many couldn't overlook the connection to the elections. As we know, the states of Assam, West Bengal, Puducherry, Kerala and Tamil Nadu are going to polls starting March 27th. The opposition and the ruling BJP are leaving no stone unturned to attack each other. But it is not just Prime Minister Narendra Modi who took the jab today. We saw Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar was one of the major political leaders, the Chief Minister who took a vaccination shot today. He took the vaccination shot in Patna on the eve of his 70th birthday. Fulfilling his poll promise, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on Monday announced that vaccine will be made available for free even in the private hospitals of Bihar. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, who is also the chief of Biju Janata Dal, took the vaccine shot at the Vidhan Sabha dispensary this morning. At a time when COVID vaccine has been a burning political issue in the country, politicians have been making vaccine promises to woo the public. The Chief Minister of the state of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, Health Minister K.K. Shalja and their cabinet colleagues are also getting ready to receive the shot in the coming days. And not just that, the judges of Supreme Court will get the vaccine shots from tomorrow. They can choose which vaccine they want, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin or the Serum Institute of India's Covishield. Now, those eligible for the vaccine in the drive tomorrow also include the families of the judges and the retired judges. The Supreme Court Registry has arranged a vaccination facility at the court complex. Now, judges and their families have an option of getting the jabs at the Supreme Court complex or any hospital listed by the government. So we know that ever since the country has been raging with coronavirus, the politics over it has also been raging. We've seen the political parties blaming the government for the mess, and now with the vaccine as well. Despite the fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi took the vaccine today, the opposition did not spare him. Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury said that it is something he's doing for the elections. But at this point of time, it is very crucial for us to fight the coronavirus, to not take things less seriously, because there is a spike in cases. It is very important to wear a mask and maintain social distancing. So take care, and if you're eligible for a vaccine, then go and take a shot. And keep watching News Audit.